Hello friends, first thing first, find a wall, rest your back flush up against the wall, loop your shoulders up and down your back body, tuck in your chin slightly, place your hands at your sides, fingertips to the mat or palms to the mat, extend your legs out long in front of you, flex your toes towards your face. So for this movement, we're really gonna want to maintain that length in the back of our body, so that way we can really feel the work being done in our hip flexors. Okay, let's do this. Inhale to lift and hover your right leg away from the earth, and then exhale to lower. Inhale now to lift the left leg away from the earth, exhale to lower. 2 more times on both sides, just like that. You got it. Inhale to lift, exhale lower. Inhale lift, exhale lower. Inhale lift, exhale lower. Inhale to lift, and then exhale to lower. Now point through your toes now. You may feel some work being done in the tops of your feet. Okay, inhale to lift the right leg away from the earth, move it over top of an imaginary object, and then back on over to starting position and lower. Inhale to lift the left leg now away from the earth, move it over top of that object, and then back over, and then back down to the earth. 1 more time on each side, just like that. Inhale to lift, over the object, back over, lower, you got this. Inhale to lift, over the object, back on over, and then lower. Shake it out. Whatever happened, happened, it's all good. So turn to this video often, especially if you want to strengthen your hip flexors. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I appreciate you. Bye for now.